Hey everyone, it's Patch from Part Select, and today we're going to help you diagnose loud and unusual sounds coming from your dishwasher. Grinding sounds. If you're hearing grinding, something may be stuck in the chopper blade area of the dishwasher. Be sure to give it a thorough check and dislodge any obstructions. Thumping sounds. Generally, these are nothing to be overly concerned with, as they're simple and easy to fix. Firstly, open your dishwasher and be sure that no items are hanging down below either rack. If they are, it's likely that the rotating spray arm is making contact and causing the unpleasant thumping sound. Fix the issue and be sure to load your dishwasher correctly to avoid this issue in the future. However, if no dishes are making contact with the spray arm, your next step should be to check the drain line. It may be thumping against the cabinet as it drains. Simply reposition the line so it doesn't come into contact with any other surfaces and the sound should disappear. Loud buzzing. The most likely source of loud buzzing noises are obstructed or dirty drain pumps or wash pumps. Inspect both to ensure nothing is obstructing the areas and they are clean from debris. If there are no obstructions, it may be necessary to replace them. We've linked those instructional videos in the description. While you're at it, check the water inlet valve for signs of wear and tear. Squealing or continuous droning. Again, one of the most likely culprits is the wash pump. Its motor will begin to make a squealing or droning sound when its bearings have gone bad. You'll need to replace the wash pump entirely. We've linked that instructional video in the description. Scraping. This is likely caused by damaged impeller or impeller fin scraping against the pump housing. Depending on the model of your dishwasher, you may be able to simply replace the impeller itself rather than the entire motor. We've linked that instructional video in the description. Beeping. If your dishwasher is beeping every few seconds, it's likely because the door is not properly closed during its cycle. Ensure the door is latched properly to eliminate the beeping sound. If your dishwasher door will not latch properly, it may be time to replace the latch. We've linked that instructional video in the description. If you require further assistance, search our channel for thousands of helpful videos that will walk you through our home appliance repairs. And if you're in need of new parts for any of your home appliances, don't forget to check out partselect.com. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.